Top 5 Best Electric Staple Guns. Number 5. Passload 135,053. Widely used for carpet installation, upholstery, and different household fixing, this item was ergonomically designed to use with one hand, for easy use. Thanks to its design, you can use this one with only one hand to get the job done, faster. Its ergonomic design that comes in black, is made of steel, plastic, and copper for easy grip and use. To be able to use the staple gun with only one hand, it's an important feature because you can get twice the work done. Another handy feature is its bottom-loading magazine, which can hold 84 staples of 3/8, 1/2, or 9/16 inch length. This means that you won't have to stop frequently to reload, as it can hold 84 staples. Thanks to its magazine capacity, it can shot 5,418, 5,416, and 5,412 staples. The product's nickel-plated magazine will not collect lint or dirt, and complete with a longer nose to be able to do heavy work, this one is the perfect tool. It has all the features you need from a staple gun and more. Its magazine is made of a material that will not collect lint. Number 4. Hitachi N5010A. Thanks to its steel-plated exterior and modern look, this model weighs 4 pounds and 40 pence, making lightweight and well-balanced. This means that it will give you a comfortable grip, which you can easily hold in one hand. Apart from its exterior, that makes it able to hold 150 staples in its magazine. This one can be used for a number of household projects, including wall and roof sheathing. You will benefit from its capacity while taking care of various projects for your family. In addition to this, it has an open magazine design, so you can monitor the staple quantity. Thanks to its cylinder valve that fires 16-gauge crown staples from 3/4 inches to 2 inches, it also provides the gun with rapid firing of up to 3 staples per second. By using the gun with the recommended staples, you will get to fire up to 3 staples per second. Therefore, you will be able to complete the work in no time. The gun also comes complete with a comfortable rubber grip, and tool-less jam release to reduce downtime. When you open the package, you notice a 4mm hex bar wrench and safety glasses, to complete your working equipment. Number 3. Makita XTS01Z. With a weight of 5 pounds and 10 pence, ergonomic shape, and soft grip, this model runs with an 18V Li-ion battery. It makes it perfect to work outdoors because it does not require a power outlet, thanks to its rechargeable battery. Additionally, it has an easy-to-use depth control setting which you can reach by turning the adjustment knob. This feature lets you adjust the depth of the staples. Apart from that, this battery-powered gun can fire 3.8-inch crown and will also use Aero T50 staples for maximum versatility. This means that this gun offers a smooth loading and feeding of staples, complete with a convenient window on the magazine for you to check the number of the remaining staples. Plus, it comes with a spring-loaded driving mechanism that makes it a more compact tool with less weight. Its ergonomic design is perfect for even pressure and easy control, complete with soft grip handle for improved comfort. Number 2. Maestri Me 3 grams. The Maestri product is perfect for long-term usage as it's powerful enough to go through most furniture hardwoods thanks to its adjustable air exhaust, meaning you can direct air to the desired surface with ease. This feature will let you penetrate most surfaces with ease, because of its adjustable settings. It offers remarkable speed and enough power you need for making all kind of things like installing insulation, laying down roofing felt and more. The tool includes one box of standard 3/8 inches length with 10.000 staples. The amount of staples included in its price is big enough to finish your home projects. Additionally, its slick design offers the user a balanced body, made of reinforced fiberglass, and rubber grip for comfort. As it's designed to fit in your hand, you can now take large, time-consuming jobs without feeling fatigue because of the discomfort and hard work. Its fiberglass body makes it resistant to corrosion and rust, which will last longer. When it comes to its maintenance, this gun requires you to add about 4 drops of pneumatic oil to it every month to preserve its insides and prolong its life. Number 1. Dual DWFP 12232. This one comes with a magnesium alloy body and a compact design as well as with a long life-free maintenance motor to keep it from damaging the working surface. In addition to this, it comes with a tool-free depth of drive adjustment complete with depths for proper loading the staples. What all this means is that it's a durable tool that comes with all the features to do the best job when in use. This stapler fires 18-gauge staples with 1/4 inches crown from 1/2 inches to 1-1/2 inches long. It comes with an adjustable belt hook that allows the tool to be near the user. This means that it offers you a better grip to be able to fire a magazine with a capacity of 100 staples. Besides, its design features a low staple reload indicator which alerts the user when it needs reloading. Plus, it comes with a removable non-marring nose tip, its own storage space, and an integrated rubber grip. Thanks to this, you can store the staples on the nose tip for easy reloading. Apart from that, this model has a perfect sequential style trigger that makes firing easier, complete with a straight angle, and its bottom load magazine.